If the food you eat stays in your body, your health will get spoiled. If the money you make stays in your pockets, your life will get spoiled. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. In this video, I am going to tell you all 15 interesting facts about that actor who started his career as a bus conductor and ended up being South God. Yes, he is no other than superstar Rajinikanth. So let's start. Number 1. Rajinikanth is a Maharashtrian by birth and not a Tamilian, though his ancestors hailed from both Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Number 2. He lost his mother at a young age, after which he was raised by his father and his elder brothers. Number 3. Before becoming an actor, he did odd jobs in Chennai and Bengaluru, such as a carpenter, a coolie, and a bus conductor for the Bangalore Transport Service. Number 4. As he was keen on acting, he joined the Madras Film Institute, and during one of his stage performances, he met the director K. Balachandir, who offered him a role in his Tamil film. Until that time, he was not good at speaking Tamil, but he quickly learned it and mastered the language. Number 5. In 1988, Rajinikanth did his first and only English film Bloodstone, an Indian-American action-adventure film. And in 1989, his film Raja Chinna Roja was the first Tamil film to use animation. Number 6. He met his wife Lata when a group of college girls came to take his interview, where Lata was leading the group. Rajinikanth got so much attracted to Lata that he proposed her on the same day. Number 7. In 2002, he did a day-long fast to protest the Karnataka government's decision not to release water from the river Kaveri into Tamil Nadu. Also in 2008, he participated in a day-long fast with other Tamil personalities demanding that the Sri Lankan government must end the civil war and give Sri Lankan Tamils their rights. Number 8. In 2007, he became the highest paid Asian actor after Jackie Chan, when he was paid Rs 26 crore for the film Shivaji. Number 9. Since 1995, he goes to the Himalayas after every film. Number 10. Rajinikanth is very punctual and reaches all his shootings before time, and he doesn't meet people after 9 pm. Number 11. He is known for his humble nature, simplicity and down-to-earth personality. When his films Baba and Kusliyan failed at the box office, he paid the losses of his distributors. Number 12. Rajinikanth is the only Indian actor to be featured in the CBSE syllabus in a lesson titled From Bus Conductor to Superstar. Number 13. He is the first Indian actor to have featured in black and white, colored, animated and 3D film. Number 14. His fans celebrate his birthday 12 December as World Style Day or International Style Day. Number 15. After opening his first official Twitter account in 2014, Rajinikanth received over 210,000 followers within 24 hours, which according to the Economic Times was the fastest rate of followers for any Indian celebrity as well as among the top 10 in the world. So this was some interesting facts about living legend superstar Rajinikanth. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.